In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana. We'll start by signing in and then walk through the core views you'll use every day to manage projects and tasks with confidence. First, open your browser and head to Asana's login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This option quickly authenticates you without creating a separate password. If your browser shows multiple Google accounts, pick the one you use for work so your projects and permissions line up correctly. After you select it, Asana will load your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Projects. This area lists all the projects you're part of. It's the home base for your teams, departments, or initiatives. From here, you can also create new projects when you're ready to organize a new workflow. But for now, let's open an existing one so you can see how everything is structured. After you click a project, you'll land on its main page where you can switch between different views. Start with the list view. This displays your tasks in a clear table format so you can scan priorities quickly. You'll see columns for assignee, due date, and any custom fields your team uses, like priority or status. If you need to add something new, use the Add Task button at the top. Give your task a clear name, assign it to the right person, and set a due date to make sure it appears in the right timelines later. List view is great when you want detailed control and easy editing across many tasks at once. Next, switch to the board view. This transforms your project into a Kanban-style board with columns that represent stages in your process, such as to do, in progress, and done. To update progress, simply drag and drop tasks between columns. This visual flow makes stand-ups and check-ins faster because everyone can see movement at a glance. It's also perfect for spotting bottlenecks when a column starts piling up. Finally, open the calendar view. Here, tasks appear on a monthly or weekly calendar based on their due dates. This is the best place to check workload balance, upcoming deadlines, and potential conflicts. If something looks crowded, adjust task dates in list view or within the task itself so your schedule evens out. Keeping due dates accurate ensures the calendar reflects reality and helps your team plan better. That's it for the essentials. Sign in, open projects, explore list, organize on the board, and review timing in the calendar. With these views, you'll keep your work visible, your deadlines clear, and your team aligned.